Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to stop Roblox from opening automatically at startup. Just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to fixing. Now, there's essentially two ways to do it. So the first one is click on your start menu right over here, and then type in start apps right over here and click on it. We'll give you the settings right over here. Just go ahead and scroll down until you see Roblox. As you can see, mine is currently turned off. If it is currently turned on, it will keep opening while you open up your PC. So go ahead and turn that off so it won't stop, or it will stop opening. Now, if it still opens up while you open up your PC, what I'd recommend is basically click on your taskbar right over here, right click on it specifically, task manager right over here. Right over here, click on start up, and then scroll ahead and scroll down until you see Roblox, right click on it, and then disable. So you guys can see, the status is currently disabled. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.